Hi, kids. It's your crazy music teacher, Miss Leverton. Okay, today we are going to learn the cup song. I realize that you probably know your own version of the cup song, but to play the cup game, we all have to play it the same. Therefore, you have to learn it my way, okay? So, get yourself a plastic cup and pause this video and then come back and push play and practice with me step by step. Do not speed up. Go with me. Okay, so the first step you are going to do, clap, clap, hit the cup. Okay, do it 3 times. Here we go. Clap, clap, hit the cup. Clap, clap, hit the cup. Clap, clap, hit the cup. Excellent. Okay, now the next thing you're going to do is clap, pick it up, move it over. When you do that, you want to make sure that you're picking it up like your spider fingers on your beat. Clap, pick it up, move it over with your right hand. It has to be. Okay? So it'll be clap, pick it up, move it over. This time we're going to do the whole first thing from the 3 claps through. Okay? Clap, clap, hit the cup, clap, pick it up, move it over. I'm doing it again. Clap, clap, hit the cup, clap, pick it up, move it over. Once more. 1, 2, ready, go. Clap, clap, hit the cup, clap, pick it up, move it over. This is the trickiest part of the whole thing. You are going to clap, sideways grab. It's super important that when you're going from this clap position, you're turning your wrist down, your thumb to the floor. So you'll be clap, sideways grab, then you're going to twist it up, and it goes to your hand. Twist it up, bring it down. So let's try that part. Clap, sideways grab, twist it up, bring it down. Do that again. Clap, sideways grab, twist it up, bring it down. All right, now we're going to start from the beginning. Clap, clap, hit the cup, clap, pick it up, move it over. Clap, sideways grab, twist it up, bring it down. And you have to say it like that or it won't work. So you go clap, sideways grab, twist it up, bring it down. It's a tongue twister. Okay? Then, once you're here, let me go back. Clap, sideways grab, twist it up, bring it down. Twist, grab, hit the floor, cross over. So this is a really, really tricky part because you have to twist, grab the bottom of the cup. So when you go clap, sideways grab, twist it up, bring it down. Now your wrist goes where the inside of your wrist is looking toward the ceiling, like this. So the bottom of the cup is coming toward you. You grab it with your left hand. You're going to release your right hand, hit the floor, and cross your left hand over because you have now passed it on to your neighbor, hence the game. When we're in a big circle, this is a passing game, and whoever is out when they drop the cup has to get out of the circle and you keep going. Okay, so let's go for the whole thing. See if you can get it. Here we go. Clap, clap, hit the cup, clap, pick it up, move it over. Clap, sideways grab, twist it up, bring it down, twist, grab, hit, over. It's tricky. You can rewind the last 10 seconds back and try it again, or we'll do it one more time together. Clap, clap, hit the cup, clap, pick it up, move it over. Clap, sideways grab, twist it up, bring it down, twist, grab, hit, over. Now I'm going to show you if we were really playing the game, it would go like this. You start off slow. Clap, clap, hit the cup. Clap, pick it up, move it over. Clap, sideways grab, twist it up, bring it down, twist, grab, hit, over. Notice I said that was slow. It's going to go faster. And you keep going. It's actually easier on the floor. It's hard up here, but that's how you do it. Okay, practice, practice. Bye.